Once, a great photo was enough. Now no one cares if they never see it. Clients don't want to buy photos, they want to buy the presence, the struggle, and the story behind the scenes. So now tell me, are you just another scroll, or don't they remember? If you're a photographer, filmmaker, or content creator, by now you should be aware of only posting pictures will not attract your clients. This is an insight from last 90 days of my social media, and I had 3 big clients that were paying big. And the reason behind it being I started posting reels or BTS of any picture that I took, and the highest being 40,000 people, and I had like 3 clients that were good. So this product is from Telesin. Use code Rahven for 10% off. It works both on action cams and phones magnetically, so you can start recording BTS of every photo that you take and start posting the story behind these photos. And now let's unbox this product. This is a 2-in-1 magnetic mount. It's for your GoPro, and also it could be your phone holder. Before on my GoPro I would be using just this strap, and you see how long this thing goes, and you don't want to have something like this on your chest, especially if you're wearing a good outfit. It's gonna mess up, so you have to kind of like customize your outfit on your chest strap. Basically take a t-shirt or something simple. So we're not gonna be using this anymore. Anything from my GoPro will be mounted to the neck holder, and let's just set it up now. Off the packaging, there's the neck holder, some straps, some mounts. I'm really grateful for all of this. I think this is the backup for the magnetic one, and also the little strap so you could hold onto it. Let's put it in this. Okay, nice. It's a nice material, and it's cold. You can actually push it away, push it in, customize however you like it, and then when you're done you could just take it out, so you don't have to keep it in all day, and you just plug it back in. So substitute all of this for this. This is a lot simpler, better, more functionality, and you get everything that you would get from here. Even in my just strap, I have a paper clipper because the size is different, so you have more strap on the left side. The length on the left side is longer than the right side, so your camera kind of tends to lean or tilt on one side, so you get that video that kind of looks like 90-degree or 45-degree angle. You don't want that, so this one is very stable, it's very flat, it doesn't go one right or the other. So, and I think even if I'm riding a bike, this shit is not moving, so I think it's strong enough. And if it's moving, you could actually add another strap that you could put it in here, and then you couldn't touch it and get back. Oh my god. So this thing has more functionality. You could actually put it back on and then ship content like this somewhere. And then we have another angle in here. Actually enjoy it. If I want to shoot the top angle, it's perfect. It's actually very customizable, and it's a soft material. I want to see if I can put it without getting on my head. That's why they have this thing. The back is breathable. I like it. It's kind of soft, so it doesn't hurt your chest.